A muster list is an essential safety document on every ship, detailing specific emergency duties assigned to each crew member. It's designed to eliminate confusion during a crisis, ensuring that everyone knows their role when emergencies strike. Imagine a fire breaking out or a sudden flooding. Without a clear plan, chaos can ensue. The muster list outlines who is responsible for closing watertight doors, who mans the lifeboats, and who takes charge in firefighting efforts. This clarity is crucial for effective emergency response. The origins of the muster list trace back to the tragic sinking of the RMS Titanic in 1912. The disaster highlighted the dire consequences of unassigned duties during emergencies. In response, the first SOLAS Convention in 1914 was established, mandating structured emergency roles for crew members. This was a pivotal moment in maritime safety, leading to the development of the modern muster list we rely on today. Why is the muster list required? Emergencies at sea can occur in an instant. Fires, collisions, or flooding demand immediate action. The muster list ensures clear role assignments, efficient evacuation procedures, and accountability among crew members. Without it, confusion can lead to delays and potentially cost lives. Each crew member must know their responsibilities to act swiftly and effectively. According to SOLAS Chapter III, specific regulations govern the muster list. It must be prepared before the ship sets sail and posted in key areas such as the bridge, engine room, and accommodation spaces. The list should include duties for various emergency scenarios, including fire response, abandoned ship procedures, and man overboard situations. It must be available in English and the flag state's language to ensure comprehension among all crew members. Additionally, substitutes must be designated for key roles, and instructions should be clearly posted in cabins and muster stations. Regular updates are necessary with every crew change to maintain accuracy. The muster list is more than just a document, it's a vital tool for ensuring safety at sea. It represents a commitment to preparedness and the protection of lives. Understanding and adhering to the muster list can make all the difference in an emergency, transforming a potentially chaotic situation into a coordinated response. Every mariner must appreciate the importance of this document and the roles they play in maintaining safety on board.